What draws me and inspires me within the Poster Girl brand is music, R&B artists, rap artists, Beyonce, Megan Thee Stallion, Doja Cat. The type of music I'm listening to, it's going to be a confident woman. I take on that confidence and I put that into my sketches. That's what's driving me, like a drum beat. I speak to my team, then I'm back to the drawing board with sketching. I go ahead and present. My buyer says yay or nay, and then I converse with the factories. I get the samples back and I fit them. I make sure that the quality of the fabric is good. I make sure that the fit is right. It starts off with a thought, right? And then you take that thought and you put some passion into it and you put it down on paper. So your thoughts become alive. Your thoughts are having a heartbeat now. It's a great feeling. My name is Chalia, and my role here at Doll's Kill is a designer for Poster Girl.